dear students, welcome to Gnanmanjari Modern English School. I am Kavit Rupa. I am going to teach you a GE subject. So in previous lecture, we will learn the chapter number 11. In that we complete our focus session, and now we are going to start with the new session. It is named as practice. क्या नाम है उसका? Practice. Okay. In that some exercise is given. So now we are going to start with the exercise. So ready with your book and pencil. Open your book, page number 35. We are going to start the exercise. So ready with your book and read the instruction given below. Okay? हमने आगे के लेक्चर में फोकस की एक्सरसाइज ए जो थी वो हमने कंप्लीट की थी. ओके? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द प्रैक्टिस वर्क. हमें प्रैक्टिस वर्क में जो एक्सरसाइज दी गई है वो हम आज करेंगे. ठीक है? सो नाउ रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन बिलो. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन विद इन ब्रैकेट्स. क्या है? हमें जो ब्रैकेट में आंसर्स दिए गए हैं उसमें से एक चूज करके जो ब्लैंक दी गई है उसे फिल अप करना है. ओके? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. रीड द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. आई डोंट हैव. Write down. I don't have. I don't have dash money with me. With me. In bracket it is given some or any. Okay? तो क्या आएगा आंसर? I don't have any. क्या आएगा? Any money with me. Any क्यों आया? Because it is a negative statement. Okay? Then number 2 is, do you have dash knife? Then question mark is given and in bracket it is written some or a few. तो क्या आएगा? some. क्या आएगा आंसर? some. So write down SOME some. Okay? Then number 3 is, she didn't get. Then dash sleep yesterday. In bracket it is given many and much. क्या लिखा है? many and much. तो क्या आएगा? पहले तो ये डिडंट है यानी कि ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. तो क्या आएगा? much. क्या आएगा? much. much क्यों आया? Because it is an uncountable नाम. हम स्लीप को काउंट कर सकते हैं? नहीं. ये अनकाउंटेबल नाम है और नेगेटिव है. अगर नेगेटिव हो फिर भी काउंटेबल हो तो भी हम मैनी लिख सकते हैं. पर क्या आएगा? She didn't get much sleep yesterday. much क्यों लिखा? Because it is an uncountable noun. Then number 4. Can you buy dash is given. Can you buy dash mangoes from the market? Can you buy dash mangoes from the market? A few and any is given. ठीक है? तो क्या आएगा? A few. क्या आएगा? A few. Then number 5. Number 5 is Sahil asking, Sahil was asking dash questions in the class. Okay, in column it is given much or a lot of. तो क्या आएगा? A lot of. So the sentence is Sahil was asking a lot of questions in the class. Okay. So this is your exercise A of practice. Copy this fast. Afterwards we will start the new exercise. So now look at the board first. Number 1 is I don't have dash money with me. In bracket it is given some or any. क्या आएगा आंसर? Any. So write down A and Y any. And the sentence is I don't have any money with me. Then number 2 is do you have dash time? In bracket it is given some. क्या लिखा है? Some लिखा है. तो क्या आएगा? सेंटेंस क्या होगा? डू यू हैव सम टाइम? देन नंबर 3 इज शी डिडंट गेट डैश स्लीप यस्टरडे. इन ब्रैकेट इट इज गिवन मैनी और मच. तो क्या लिखा हमने? मच. ओके, सो द सेंटेंस विल बी शी डिडंट गेट मच स्लीप यस्टरडे. Then number 4 is, can you buy dash mangoes from the market? In bracket it is given a few or any. तो क्या आएगा? A few, F-E-W, few. So the sentence will be, can you buy a few mangoes from the market? Then fifth one is, Sahid was asking dash questions in the class. In bracket क्या दिया है? Much oblique a lot of. So the sentence will be, Sahil was asking a lot of questions in the class. Okay. So this is your exercise of practice work. So now we are going to start with the extension work. Okay. In that one exercise is given. So we are going to start this. So read the instruction given below. In the extension work, the exercise is given. So read the following instruction. Choose the correct answer from the options given within brackets. जो brackets में आंसर दिए गए हैं, उसमें से हमें choose करके आंसर लिखना है. Okay? So now ready with the pencil. We are going to start the exercise here. Number 1 is, be careful. Be careful. There is dash water on the floor. Water on the floor. Okay? In bracket it is given any, then much, and then some. Okay? So, first sentence is, be careful, there is some water. क्या आएगा? Some. S-O-M-E, some. Okay? Then the another sentence is number 2. Add dash sugar. Add dash sugar to the batter. Add dash sugar to the batter. In bracket it is given a few, then some, then much. Okay? So, second sentence is, add some sugar. क्या आएगा? Some. Add some sugar to the batter. So, the second sentence is, add some sugar to the batter. Then third one is, don't you have dash shame. In bracket it is given any, then much, then a few. क्या आएगा? Don't you have any shame? क्या आएगा? Any shape. Then number 4. I don't have. I don't have dash information. I don't have dash information on it. In bracket it is given many, any and some. Okay, तो क्या होगा? I don't have any information. क्या आएगा? Any information. Then number 5 is the last one. There are dash mosquitoes in the area during monsoon. Okay, in bracket it is written much, a lot of, any. तो क्या आंसर आएगा? A lot of. क्या आएगा? A lot of. Okay, so this is your exercise A of extension work. Copy this fast. Afterwards we will revise this. look at the board first. Be careful. There is dash water on the floor. तो क्या लिखा हमने? Some. So the sentence is be careful. There is some water on the floor. The next one is add dash sugar to the batter. In bracket it is given a few, some or much. तो क्या आएगा? Some. Add some sugar to the batter. The third one is don't you have dash shame. Shame यानी शर्म. क्या बोलते हैं? shame का मीनिंग क्या होता है? शर्म. तो in bracket it is given any, much or few. So the sentence is don't you have any shame? We will use any, okay? Because it is a negative statement and or in a question form. Then number 4 is I don't have dash information on it. Information यानी uncountable नाम हुआ. तो क्या आएगा? Any. क्या आएगा? Any. So write down I don't have any information on it. Then number 5 is there are dash mosquitoes in the area during monsoons. तो वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में है और क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल नाम है. तो क्या होगा? There are a lot of mosquitoes in the area during monsoons. Okay, so this is your exercise of extension work. So now we are going to end our lecture here. Before we end, note down your homework first. So ready with your book and pencil. Note down your homework. Learn and write. Exercise A of practice and extension in your rough book. How many times you have to write? 2 times. Okay. So learn and write exercise A of practice and extension in your rough book. And how many times? 2 times. Okay. So this is your homework, and now we are going to end our lecture here. In the next lecture, we will start the new chapter. Okay. So till the next lecture, have a nice day.